Hi, I'm Rahul. Let's see what are the goodies that we receive as specialist programmer at Infosys. Generally, what happens is once you get onboarded in the training process in Infosys Mysore, the day two, they will be distributing goodies, and there will be a box like this you will be receiving as a specialist programmer. Let's see what is inside this. We have a mug with Infosys branding, and this is good. It is like maybe it's a ceramic cup. The next thing we have, it's a water bottle. It also have Infosys branding. It's too good. Like the color is very good. It looks cute. Next we have mug lids. Like while we are using a coffee mug, we can use this to cover that. Yeah, these are pretty good. The next thing we have is it's a fridge magnet with Infosys branding. It's also very good. Next thing we have in the boxes, it's a cube. Maybe like it has lot of Infosys policies on it. Yeah, we can open it. We can play around with that. We have Infosys branding on it. Yeah, it also have some strategies, and it's see life and Infosys branding. Yeah, that's it. The welcome letter, which has welcome aboard. Yeah, this is from Infosys. Yeah, we have a handbook. Yeah, which have like several other things regarding Infosys, maybe like mental health and all. Yeah, we have a diary. This is very good. Like I felt very good. Yeah, this is a common diary which also have Infosys branding. Yeah, from backside also it's good. Yeah, we received a pen which is blue color with Infosys branding on it. These are what inside the welcome kit box that we received as part of onboarding. As part of onboarding process, everyone will receive these goodies from Infosys. This is quite common. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos on this channel. Follow me for more updates on Instagram as well.